In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from Skool group. If you manage a Skool community, there may be times when you need to remove a member to keep your space focused, safe, and on topic. I'll walk you through the entire process clearly, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you feel confident doing it. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Skool. Click the official Skool website from the results. If you manage a community regularly, consider bookmarking the page so you can get back to it quickly in the future. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log in with the account that has the right permissions for your community. If your organization uses extra security, like two-factor authentication or single sign-on, you might be prompted to complete that step before continuing. After you sign in, you should land directly inside your community. If you're part of multiple communities, make sure you're in the one where you want to take action. You can usually switch communities from the main menu if you need to. When you're sure you're in the right place, look for the top navigation bar and click on the Members tab. This is where you can see everyone who currently belongs to your group. If you don't see the Members tab, it's possible your role doesn't have access to manage members. In that case, check with an admin for the correct permissions. Now, locate the person you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, or if available, use the search field to find them faster. When you found the right member, look for the small membership gear icon next to their name. Click that gear to open the member options. If you're already on their profile page, you can also find a gear icon in the top right corner there. Both routes lead to the same controls. From the drop-down menu, choose Remove from Group. This selection prepares the action but doesn't finalize it yet. Skool will show a confirmation pop-up to help prevent accidental removals. Review the name carefully and, when you're sure you've selected the correct person, click Remove in the pop-up window to finalize. The member will lose access to your community right away. If circumstances change later, you can always invite them back through your standard onboarding process. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and responsibly manage membership in your Skool group while maintaining a positive experience for the rest of your community.